May kakilala akong lalaki, corporate manager, late 40s, taga Santa Maria, Bulacan. Good salary, nice car, respected sa office. From the outside, it's the picture of success. Pero sa loob, pagod na siya. Pagod na siya. Worried, laging kulang. Now, I sat with him one day and I asked, if everything disappeared tomorrow, yung kotse mo, yung title, yung condo, who are you? Napaisip siya, tapos sabi niya, Coach, I don't know. And that is the scary part about materialism. It doesn't just drain your bank account. Nauubos yung self mo eh. Because when your identity is attached to your things, material things, pag nawala ang mga bagay na to, wala ka na rin. So, he started the process of detaching. Hindi niya naman binenta yung mga gamit niya. Hindi naman siya nag-quit sa trabaho niya agad-agad. Pero binago niya yung tanong na tinatanong niya sa sarili niya every day. Dati, ang tanong niya is, ano yung susunod na bibilhin ko? Ngayon, ano yung buhay na mag-iiwan ng magandang alaala, hindi lang magandang gamit? And that shift, that one shift in question, that is when he started to feel more relaxed and alive and his business started growing. Dahil naging mas malinaw siya kung para kanino siya nagtatrabaho or kumikita. And what kind of life he actually wanted to pay for. Now, 6 months later, yung side income niya, nalampasan na yung dating monthly salary niya. Now, not because he became materially richer, but mas naging emotionally clearer siya eh.